Transform your blog and landing pages with AI-powered Quick Creator. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to create amazing content for your online business. In today's video, I'm going to show you a tool that will blow your mind. It's called Quick Creator, and it's an all-in-one marketing tool that enables you to create SEO-optimized blog pages and high-conversion landing pages in minutes. Yes, you heard me right, minutes. Quick Creator is a game changer for anyone who wants to create engaging and conversion-focused content with ease. Whether you want to write a blog post, a landing page, or a marketing campaign, Quick Creator has you covered. It has a step-by-step writing wizard that guides you through the process of creating your content. You can choose from a range of article styles, such as listicles, how-to guides, opinion pieces, and more. You can also start with professionally designed templates and customize them to match your brand and design preferences. But here's the best part. Quick Creator uses AI technology to generate high-quality content that is optimized for search engines and conversion. That means you don't have to worry about keyword research, copywriting, or formatting. You just have to edit and refine the AI-generated content to personalize it and align it with your brand voice. Quick Creator has a rich text editor that allows you to do that easily. Quick Creator is a tool that will save you time and money without compromising quality. It will help you create content that drives organic traffic, captures leads, and drives conversions. It will help you grow your online business faster and easier than ever before. If you want to try Quick Creator for yourself, you can sign up for a free trial using the link in the description below. You'll get access to all the features and benefits of Quick Creator for 14 days. You can create as many blog pages and landing pages as you want and see the results for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content creation tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of content you want me to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.